Hi! In front of me is tablet DELL 7220 Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in floating windows. Begin by tapping on one of your apps that you wish to use in pop-up view. And then clicking on this icon of two squares at the top right corner between this line and an X. So when I do that, as you can see, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold it and drag it. If you wish to resize it, just hold one of its corners, double tap, then hold. Pick a perfect size and let go. To minimalize your app, click on this line at the top right corner. And to access it again, click on the icon of it at the bottom. Lastly, to go back to standard view, click on this singular square at the top right corner. And to close your app completely, use this X next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!